Different tricks to use a touchpad. Like this, you can pinch. Thank you. Subscribe to Damn Short TV Unity Vision Technology. First of all, to use the different tricks on your touchpad, you have to allow it. First of all, you have to search for control panel. You have to enter the control panel. Control panel. When you found the control panel, you have to click on it. Control panel, you have to search for mouse. Then search, you have to click on change mouse setting. Change mouse setting. By going there, you have to go to the device setting. When you reach here, you have to click on settings. When you click on settings, you go to the overview, scrolling. Then you can scroll in reverse or scrolling direction. If you choose enable, if you move forward, the cursor it will move backward. Then by scrolling, there is pinch zoom. Pinch zoom, here you can zoom by using touchpad. If you allow, you can zoom and zoom in or zoom out by using this, if you allow this option. Then there is a pivot. This pivot, if it is enabled, you can use it to remove the right to left. You can change the direction of your material or of your device by removing right or left by pivot. One start on the touchpad, another by moving by direction left or right. Thank you. Can move to another option. Another option is pointing. By pointing, there is sensitivity. There is palm check. Palm check is about sensitivity of your touchpad. You can increase the sensitivity of your touchpad, or you can reduce the sensitivity. How you touch, how it is sensitivity of how you touch, and it detects your touching. Then there is touch sensitivity. There is palm check. If you touch and touch sensitivity, how. Then there is a momentum. You can enable momentum, or if you need to use this. Momentum is like if you touch a touchpad by one, the cursor it moves to the direction of your action. Momentum in the glide. Then there is edge motion. Edge motion, where you touch on touchpad, it shows you that you have touched there. Edge motion region, it shows you where you touch. Like this. Then when we go on edge motion speed, control speed with finger pressure or fixed speed. Then there is pointing enhancement. There is slow motion. Can enable slow motion or not. Constraint motion which is a constant. Then is tap and drag and two finger tapping. Tap and drag, when you tap to a given folder and then drag, move from one place to another. This tap zone here, this can show you where you touch. It show you that it can detect if your touchpad it is work or not. Tap zone, it shows you, or it check if your touchpad it is working well. Then there's three finger press and 3 finger flex. 3 finger press, you can press your 3 finger to your touchpad at the same time to open new window explorer, file explorer, by choosing if you enable this free finger press, and if you enable free finger flick, it shows you, or if you slide your free finger above the touchpad, it moves or it slides a given file. Then you can default your setting, or you can click OK your setting you have already changed, or you can choose the default, or you can cancel to remain with your current setting. Thank you for watching.